Hi everybody, welcome to my first boxing product review here on my channel. So far on this channel it's only been highlight videos, but I've been wanting to kind of get into product reviewing. I have quite a few sets of gloves that I think could do with some reviewing for all of you people out there. So I just want to straight away get off by saying I'm going to be doing gloves in this video, but I do have a few wraps, as in hand wraps for boxing and kickboxing, and stuff like gum shields, head guards, that sort of thing. I want to start reviewing them, but yeah, today, by the way, sorry for the bad quality on that first little clip. It was just taken on my dad's phone while I was at the gym. So, excuse the heavy breathing, I've just eaten. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rival RB5 bag mitts. So this is the, I think it's called P4P version for pound. This is the Lomachenko Ukraine blue and yellow flag version, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to get into reviewing these. So I think first we should take a look at the glove. So as you can see, it's got the Rival styling along the outside of the glove there. You got the blue and yellow colour, that is for this. I know these can also be purchased in black, red and blue as well. Just the normal versions. But yeah, a nice streamlined glove. These are the large ones, as I have large hands. I am going to be weighing all of my gloves as well, so there'll be a section in this video where I will weigh these, as these don't really come in ounces, it's just small, medium and large. But yeah, I believe there's an XL of these as well, but yeah. So yeah, Rival RB5 bag mitt, obviously designed for the bag. Loose thumb, the thumb can move all at once. I will be putting these on in a minute to show. But yeah, you've got the ergo light system there, which just means it's used this light padding EVA foam, which feels quite good on the hand, but we'll get into how they are in a minute. I'm just going to take this strap, just loosen this real quick. So there's the strap again. You've got there's the pound for pound edition on the strap. Obviously that won't be there if you get just the regular black, red or blue version. But yeah, nice, well built bag mitt, styled in the older style of bag mitt. Again, if you look throughout all the boxing, so people like Joe Lewis, Sonny Liston, Ali, they all used the Henry Cooper. They all used the old school bag mitts, and we'll get into why in a minute. But another good thing about the RB5 bag mitts is they have this breathable mesh here. Now, I wasn't sure about that at first because I just saw that as another thing that could possibly break when you're opening and closing your hand. But yeah, you've also, yeah. Anyway, we'll put one of them on. So again, you just slide your hand in and you have quite a long strap, as you can see. I think the strap is probably a couple of inches long. Probably, I'm not really sure to be honest. But whether this is the case with a medium, it goes quite far down onto my wrist, which I like because that is good wrist protection. So I usually like to pull this over and then hold that there if I can, and then tie that, because then it overlaps the wrist section like that, which I think is just a bit more comfortable. So here we have the bag mitt now that it's on. Loose thumb, as I say. It's quite nice and comfy for when you're on the bag. But yeah, there it is on my hand. I can just completely relax or clench my fist. Again, you've got the mesh paneling here, loose thumb. The strap, which actually does a very good job of securing your wrist. I've used these for about the last 1.5 to 2 years, and they're still going strong. As you can see, they are just a little bit starting to crease up a little teeny bit, but nothing too noticeable. The mesh panel is starting to, I can see the little, I don't know if you can kind of see it a little bit there, just starting to fray just a little bit. Excuse that little moped going past there. But yeah, they're very comfortable. So now, why would you want a bag mitt like this? So bag mitts like this, they're convenient. Again, I've never worn wraps with these, but you can. But traditionally the point of a bag mitt is to perfect your punching technique. You get much better punching feedback from these as it is an extremely light glove. Again, you can make a perfect fist with these as well, as you can see. Relax fist. So, and also you can practice on the bag if you want to parry your shots. Obviously, get back in your fist, bang, straight up, bang. You know what I mean? It's very good. But yeah, the whole point of these and why old school boxers used to use these was better punch feedback on the bag. You can really feel that pop. You can, I mean, if you punch wrong with these, you're going to feel it. So that is one thing I will say. Be a little bit more careful when you're using these, as they are very light. If you smack as hard as you can and you throw a hook wrong, you could probably do some serious damage to your hands or your wrist in this. Do not spar in these. That is fairly apparent. But just in case I need to say for any people out there, don't spar in these. These are not sparring gloves. These are exclusively bag mitts. It's in the name. So another good thing about these, they have a nice little grip bar here, which is actually really comfortable. I don't know if I'll be able to show it. Just as I'm clenching my fist there, it's a nice grip bar. Not too big, too small. A good placement. As soon as I clench that fist over, it's very comfortable. Now, I actually think that I should have probably gone with medium for these. They're just a little bit bigger, I feel. As you can see, there's a little bit of spare space there on mine. So I do wish I went for the medium of these. But still, they are very good nonetheless. So yeah, breathable, good punch feedback. Build quality is very good. I mean, again, it's got that ergo light, which is like that thin EVA foam. Now these what looks like air holes on the front, they actually do nothing. As you can see, it's just material under there. They're not actual holes. That's what the breathable palm area is for. And yeah, again, the pound for pound has this cool like matrix kind of like downloading digital pattern on it. You can see that on the thumb there. I know that Loma has another set of gloves with Rival that are bag gloves, and they're like green matrix style design on them. Very cool. But again, I'll slip both of these on here so you guys can see them. I mean, you saw me using them in the beginning, but yeah. And the good thing about these again is if you just want to go into the gym, get some bag work done, you don't need to wrap your hands. They're easy. You've got full movement to just slip them on and you're good to go. You know what I mean? They're very comfortable, very light, so you're going to be able to do quite a lot of rounds with these if you want a light glove that you can just, you know, tap away with on the bag. As you can see, these have got some use. The ergo light there is just starting to fray just a little bit, just along there. That's just because of the opening and closing of the palm making a fist, and again, relaxing for those parrying, rolling under, slipping over. Yeah, they're very good, very well built. I'm going to weigh these now, and we'll see how much they weigh, and then that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Yeah, but again, as far as build quality goes, top notch. Yeah, really good. Right, let's get to weighing them. So I'm going to weigh the left glove first. Let's put that on, we'll see where it comes up to. So the large glove, this is the large glove, and this has just come in at 5 ounces, pretty much. Okay, chuck that one over there. Now we're going to weigh the right one. That was the left glove, by the way, guys, we said that wrong. So that is about 5, let me just double check, take that off. Yeah, about 5 ounces. So again, pretty much, swap the glove once more, pretty much about even. Yeah, both gloves quite nicely weighed in even. There's just a minor fluctuation, but nothing too serious. But yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, again, on my review of the Rival RB5 bag mitts, be sure to like, subscribe and turn the notifications on. I'll be doing more product reviews, and I'll also uploading my highlights. I do highlights for kickboxing and boxing at the moment. MMA maybe in the future, but not right now. And I will see you all in the next video. For now, bye bye, and thank you for watching. Catch you guys next time. Cheers.